Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Michael and today this burger started with a simple can of tuna. But what came out of the pan is something completely different. Crispy on the outside, savory on the inside. Let me show you how this surprisingly good tuna burger comes together. To start this tuna burger, I'm using one simple can of tuna packed in either spring water or oil, it's your choice. Just drain it well and add it to the bowl. This is the base of the burger and it's going to give you a really nice light texture once everything comes together. Next, I'm adding in 1 egg. This helps bind everything together so the patties hold their shape when they cook. It also adds a little bit of richness to the mixture. Next, I'm adding 1/4 cup or 30 grams of breadcrumbs. These help absorb a little of the moisture and give the tuna burgers a nice light texture. Breadcrumbs work really well here because it keeps the patties from getting dense. Now in goes 2 tablespoons, that's roughly 20 grams of finely diced onion. This adds a little sweetness, but a bit of texture, which really helps bring the flavor of these tuna burgers to life. Now for the seasonings, I'm adding 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and just a small pinch of salt. Nothing complicated here, just simple flavors that work really well with the tuna. Now use a fork to mix everything together. Just break up the tuna and combine all the ingredients until you get a nice, even mixture. You want everything well combined so the patties hold together when we cook them. Now that everything is combined, I'm using my clean hands to shape the mixture into patties. This recipe makes 2 nice thick tuna patties, just the right size for a hearty burger. Press them gently so they hold together, but don't pack them too tight. We still want a light, tender inside. I like to toast the buns in a little butter right in the pan. Toast one side until it's golden and fragrant, and then flip it over and get the other side nice and crispy. That buttery golden crust adds flavor and gives the burgers that perfect texture contrast. Now it's time to cook these patties. I'm adding a little bit of avocado oil and a little bit of butter to the skillet and letting it get nice and hot. Then in go the patties. I'm going to cook these over medium heat to ensure a crunchy outside while keeping the inside tender and flavorful. Cook the tuna patties for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. You're looking for a golden crust on the outside while keeping the inside tender and moist. That smell is amazing. That butter and tuna flavor coming together is next level. Next, we're making the creamy mushroom sauce. I'm adding a little butter to the pan. I'm adding 1/2 can of cream of mushroom soup and 3 tablespoons of water. You can adjust the water depending on how thick or thin you like the sauce. Less water for a thicker, more velvety sauce, more water for a lighter drizzle. Just stir until it's warmed through and then pour it into a bowl and get ready to top our crispy tuna patties. Now comes the fun part, assembling the burgers. Start with the crispy tuna patty on a toasted bun. Add a slice of cheddar cheese, a little bit of fresh lettuce, some juicy tomato, and pickles if you like. Then you can either drizzle the mushroom sauce on top or serve it on the side as a dip. And for a slightly different take, try this. A patty with Dijon, brown mustard, and a little mushroom sauce, no bun required. It's just as delicious and perfect if you want a low-carb option. Crispy, savory, creamy, every bite has flavor, texture, and that satisfying tuna punch. If you like this content, maybe you might consider giving me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And while you're at it, check out one of his other 2 videos over here on the side. You might find something else you like. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Give these tuna burgers a try. I know you're going to love this recipe. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye now.